Hello guys, welcome to our channel Landscape. Today we are going to show you how you can create arrows in AutoCAD easily. So we have a lot of type of arrow in AutoCAD. So first we have the leaders. Leaders can also act like arrow, and with the polyline we can also create the arrow. So first we make simple arrow with line command. Simple, you have line like this. Okay, I put for straight line here. Okay, now simply draw another line like this, put into the center, and here make another line like this, like this, like this. So this is the very simple type of arrow, very simple. Easily you can create this, no issue. You can trim inside like this also. So this arrow can be represented as an arrow, but with the polyline you can also create simply PL polyline. You have okay, H, press H for half width, H. Okay, first put one, then like this, then also one like this. Okay, now you have to make another polyline, so you need half width. Okay, you make 2, let's suppose 2, then 0. So you can see this another arrow we have created with the help of polyline. So this is created with polyline. So this is very simple arrow. You can also hatch it, this arrow. You can hatch it also, the arrow like this. So quite elegant arrow as well. So guys, we have another type of arrow which is called leader. So leader can be used in arrow. So simply put the command LE command and simply drag and drop here, and you can see the arrow here. This is quite small. You can make it big. How we can increase its size? So let's simply go to properties, select this, and make the arrow size to 5. Okay, so you can easily make it big, no issue. Also, as you can see that here we have the close field arrow shape. So simply dot we have open like this. So you can change the arrowhead also. Okay, so quite elegant arrow here. So like this, you can also draw this, make simple dot, and make you simply leave it as an arrow, close field. Okay, so guys, we have these 3 methods we can easily create arrows in AutoCAD program. So first we have simple line command. Using the command we can create simple lines, we can create arrows. And another one, the second one, is the polyline. Using half width formula we can easily create this arrow. So another, we have the leaders. So the third one is the leader. Leaders are dynamic, and they can be changed with the match properties. So let's suppose we have another arrow here. Okay, leader. Okay, simply, so if you match the properties with this, it will also change its length and size. So it will match to its source object, and you can see that. So mainly we have 3 methods to draw or create arrow in AutoCAD program. So hopefully you like this video, and please keep subscribing, keep sharing, and stay tuned with us, and thanks for watching. Thank you very much.